Impeccably maintained inside, breathtaking outside. Step outside into your own private park in the heart of Wolf Creek Estates.
9 Creek Road in the open air, 125 acres, room to breathe. Wolf Creek Estates, right by the creek. Peaceful mornings, town close by. Country calm with a modern sky. Oak floors glowing under your feet. Every step feels soft and sweet. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, life that fits your path. Court shining in the light. Everything feels right. 9 Creek Road, hold me home. 9 Creek Road, by the creek alone. Wolf Creek Estates, where the good days grow. 9 Creek Road, let me go.